So, good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. This is my report about this. What is the difference of the murder and the homicides? Murder is the Senate dispatch execute the key and slay. Murder is the person some mind and create discretion and lawfully kills the human being malice. All purport murder is unlawful killing the any person long the killing attended by the following attendant circumstances. One is muna siya ang mga elements sa murder is with treachery is tawagan ay lubaon siya sa likod, taking advantage superior with aid armed men, employing means to weaken defense, employing means the person ensured opportunity in consideration of price reward or promise by means of the inundation and by means of fire, by means of poison o hilo siya, by means of explosion. Murder is the unlawful killing any person long to the killing is attended by any following attendance circumstances is a present by means of shipwreck, by means of the stranding vessels, by means of the derailment assault upon railroad, by means for of an airship, by means of the motor bicycle, by use for men involving the great waves and winds, the occasion of an earthquake, or the occasion of the eruption of volcano. Murder is a killing any person long though the killing is attended by the following attendants. One is the occasion of destructive. On the second is the occasion epidemic. Third of the occasion of any other calamity. And the fourth is with evident premeditation. And fifth is with cruelty by deliberately, inhumanly augmenting the suffering of the victim. The second is Article 249 is the homicide. If the crime committed by any person should not another without the attendant of any circumstances mentioned of the Article 248 is homicide is the unlawful killing of any person but which neither parricide, murder, or not infanticide. Parricide, di ba? Ang parricide is the killing to the mga kadugo ninyo like mga parricide is ito gani kanang murag daw gani kanang gi patay nimo ang bata sa imong sulod sa imong kuan sa imong tiyan nga usa ka kainahan. Homicide elements of the homicide. A person was killed. The killed him without any justifying circumstances. The accused had intention to kill with is presumed and the killing not attended by any qualifying circumstances of murder or by the parricide infanticide. Murder, different anak nila sa ang definition na anak nila is ang different nila kay tawag ni murder is the tawag ni kining giplanuhan yun ninyo pagpatay ang usa ka tao nga kana siya karon patyon na to na nga nadyo mo plano ba nga nadyo mo kasuko patyon gyud ninyo sa batang homicide is the kalit-kalit nga paghitabo nga tawag nga patyon ni ay ikuan mo siya kana nagiinom mo or nag-unsa ba mo namoy nalalis nga natungod sa imong kasuko is imong gihapak og bato or o na imo or depende kung gipusil nyo mo na siya homicide depende mo na siya ang lahi-lahi difference nila duha and this is my report and thank you and God bless you to all.